Carl, ang masaya-masaya ka. Ayan na po, arriving sa blue carpet, the people's superstar, Kim Chu and Paolo Abilio, also known as Ikaw. Thank you sa 33 official fan groups po ng Kim Pao. At sa mga thank you.
Wala na nakadaan, di na nakadaan ang dalawang way.
Nagdadagdag yung sa mahalaga ng mga nangyayari sa story. Pero may excited at kakabahan mo.
Thank you sa pamagsas. Sa kaligayahan na binibigay niyo sa amin.
Nakasubscribe ko ba kayo?
Sino dito ang wala pang Prime Video? Wala sumagot sa lahat ng video.
Tita Cory, nakakapunta lang to. With of course, our partner sa Prime Video, journalist is Pia Laurel. Sige na, this will be the last frame natin before tayo magsimula. Ayan, we'll let you know.
Oh my God!
Our conclusion is join Sir Olivier Pabalanse. Alice Pia! Tita Cory, there she is. Thank you, Pa. This is our total official. More to the bago. Okay, looking sa akin muna for the opposite. Looking here, 5 seconds. Looking here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking sa center. 5 seconds then, center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Legs right nyo, please. Ayan, hindi lang. We have seen the power producers of the Alibay. ABS Studios, Cheapskate Entertainment, and Pride Video. Again, Pao, join me for actors inside. As I officially turn you over, sige, pabigyan natin pa guys, hindi siya kasi ikaw na mga fans nila, kayo lang. Isa right side, ang solids mo, comment nyo ng solids mo. And Kim National, Kim Pao Official, Kim Pao! Ano nga rin po gabi? Night shift! Dapat rin. Oh! Go na, Kim Pao, sa akin ng sinasis as I wrap this blue carpet. Again, you have seen the blue carpet of Ada Alibay and Prime Mira Sonoma. Everyone who came here, thank you. Papasok ang pa-full cast. Thank you so much. We are happy with the support. Miss Kate Valenzuela is here. Miss Katie. Miss Len Carian is here. We are honoring the great debut and Gina on Saturday. So this is just proper. Nakikita niya na tinutuloy natin ang vision niya in developing concept stories na mapapanood globally ng bawat Pinoy. And the support. Oh, Miss Lani Gutierrez! Ano ba nasa kano ba? Miss Lani Gutierrez, this is Unitarian King sa Showtime. Okay, sige. I will get the cue here. The moment na pumasok na po ang mga boss, Direk Jojo sa akin, Ona Pia sa loob, I will turn you over na to the host po ng special screening who are Mix Bustos and Aya Fernandez. Sige, ayan, there's an ongoing photo op po. Doon. Rona ng Paunatics, thank you. Ayan, dito rin sila. Ayan sila yung... Paunatics, thank you. Paolo po, enjoy the streaming!
Ay, parang santo. Parang santo, kuya.
Bawal na tigas na lang. Bawal pumasok. Kuya, hindi na nagsasimula. Ayaw na sa labas mo.
Ano daw?
Bawal na lumabas. Bawal pumasok.
Pasok na daw. Hindi natin mga dito sa Sino na bala sumala niyan tol?
Okay na, okay na.
Kuya, dyan na. Balik sumala na sila sa...
Pero hindi mo naman pinapanood.
Very excited to be this and as we wait for the public to the presence of senior executives who are present this afternoon, this good afternoon. Excited.
Oh, ayan na.
Okay na daw. Okay. Walang magdahan-dahan ha.
Kanila.
For everyone's knowledge, tonight is very special because we are going for the first time.
Kaya po ipapasok.